Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to talk a little bit about this Slingshot bait thrower, but before I begin, I'd like to mention a couple of things. In the end of this video, I will announce the competition winners. The second thing is that in some countries, this gadget might be counted as a weapon. So just be cautious of that, as you might actually get in trouble for owning one of these. And the last thing which I would like to mention, keep it away from the kids, because if, for example, instead of the fishing balls, feeders, the kids will put metal objects inside, or for example, a metal ball bearings, and shoot with it to, well, a friend or a person or another person, it might actually make a really big damage to the person, or it might actually even kill. So that's it. Those were the main points, and let us talk a little bit about this Slingshot. It actually brings a good memories, because when I was a kid, we were actually making one of these, but we were using not the plastic, but like the metal strings, and well, the Slingshots weren't as beautiful as this one. So how to use it? Well, all is pretty easy. I think that, well, the majority of us has actually tried shooting from a slingshot, so you've got the idea. So you put the feeding ball over here, and you just shoot it to the place where you want to feed the fish. Of course, for some people, this gadget might seem useful, but for some it might seem like a useless one. What I would like to mention also, that of course, if you can actually feed the spot by throwing the feeder balls with your hands, that's okay, and you are a really lucky guy, and well, you don't actually need a slingshot for that. But don't forget that there are people that have issues with their shoulders or hands, and this gadget might be quite useful for some of them. So that's basically it about this gadget. You can actually check the price. I'll put the link in the description if you'd like to have a look. And now let us go to the competition winners. Okay, so let us pick the winner. So I'll just copy this link to copy and paste it over here. Show random names, 11, get YouTube comments, and well, let's start. Okay, 14, and let us start. Okay, congratulations, Kyle, you are a winner. I hope that you'll enjoy the reel. I'll send you an email to your inbox. Let us just have a look, Kyle, if you have about channels. Okay, Kyle, if you could just update your profile with the email address that I can use in order to send you your gift, that would be great. Okay, thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.